Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to learn what software we need to download in order to remotely connect to the lab computers using a MacBook. I'm going to start by opening up Safari. Alright, so we're going to UHVPN setup for Macintosh. In the search bar type in hawaii.edu/askus/1606. That should take you to this page for Macintosh setup. And this goes step by step through the process. It also has a nice video, so it makes it pretty simple. I'll minimize that and put it off to the side. First step is to go over to your Wi-Fi, go down to Open Network Preferences, click on the plus button. We're going to go to VPN and L2TP, and you get to name the service name. We're doing UHVPN. Create. So our server address, which is given over here in the steps, is svpn.its.hawaii.edu. Here you will do your UH username. Go and click the Show VPN Status in the menu bar, and then Authentication Settings. So make sure password is checked, but do not enter anything into this box. Make sure shared secret is checked, and then we're going to enter the shared secret, but we have to find it here. You scroll down through the instructions. You can access the shared secret through this link. It'll have you enter your username and password. Alright, so here's the shared secret right there. I'm going to minimize this so I can enter it in. And press OK. Now we'll go to Advanced. Make sure all three of these are checked. And press OK. And then once all that's good, check on Apply. Alright, so now you see this little guy up here right next to the Wi-Fi. That's what you'll use to access the VPN. So let's press Connect UHVPN. And then your password will just be your normal UH password. Great, and it says connected. And then to know you're connected through here, right over here, it'll have the little timer going. So that's how you know you're connected to the UHVPN. We'll exit out of there. Alright, now we need to download TightVNC, and in order to do that, I'm going to download a form of Java. Search Java downloads for Mac OS. Let's go to this third one, Java downloads for all operating systems. Scroll down, and we want the Mac OS X. Alright, so that is downloading. Alright, so you want to make sure that you downloaded Java 8 Update 271. And this is just my computer password. We'll install. Awesome. Alright, now we'll go back to Safari and download the TightVNC. So just type in TightVNC. It should be the first one that shows up right here. Go over here to the left to download now. And then for the Mac, we're going to scroll down and do the TightVNC Java Viewer jar. Awesome. So this one right here is what you want. So let's click on that. Now because of my settings, my security settings, I need to go into those and allow this to be downloaded. Go to my security and then right here, open anyway for the TightVNC viewer. Open. Great, so this is now how we remotely log into the lab computer. So I'm going to get rid of this. A nice way to keep this TightVNC jar handy, I'll just drag that over here, and then that way I can get into it whenever you're going to log in for class. So right here is your IP address for the computer that you're assigned to in the classroom. We're actually going to do this one, 103, and then just try to ignore this. Sometimes it might be finicky. You might press this guy, make sure it lines up 103, and then port 5900 and connect. And then this will be the password that you were given along with your computer. Alright, so as you can see, we're now in the lab computer, and right up here you can do some changes to try to get the screen to fit. Zoom out or zoom in, or you can fit it to your entire screen on your computer and then zoom in a little bit, zoom out, whatever you prefer. And then in order to log into this computer, we're going to go right up here to the Control-Alt-Delete. Let's see if it'll pop up. Yeah, Control-Alt-Delete right here. Click on that, and then it will bring you into the UHID login. So enter your normal UHID and password. Alright, so now that you're in, you can use all the software that you need for class, Google Earth Pro, Arc Maps, whatever it is. You can find that all here and use this computer like it's yours. And then whenever you're finished, just be sure to log out like you usually would with these computers in the classroom to prevent from anyone logging in and getting into your files that you have on the desktop. So before we leave, we'll just go back and log out just to make sure. So you always want to remember to get back to this main screen before you exit out completely. And then to exit out, it's really easy. Just go up and exit and you're good to go. And then in order to disconnect from the VPN, go back up to this little guy and just press disconnect UHVPN. You'll see how long you were on. And now you're disconnected. In order to reconnect, really simple, just connect again and it will prompt you again with your UH username and password. There, you're connected. So I hope that helps with remotely accessing these lab computers. Thank you.